Hi everyone, Emily here with Something Borrowed Blooms, and today I'm going to show you how to recreate a tablescape featuring our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. Today I'm mixing collections again, surprise surprise. I have the Stella and Zayah Collection, which is absolutely stunning. I've never loved anything more, I don't think. And usually I'm more of a light and airy type of girl, so this really surprised me. And I just had this vision of putting the two together and it just works perfectly. So if you are getting married upcoming, fall, winter, any season really, and you use this, please give us your photos because I'm absolutely obsessed. But about the install, all the products that we use will be listed below, and I really love how this turned out, so we can just get into it. I'm going to start out by placing one of the Stella Garland at the base. Then I'm gonna add another and attach it to the other garland like this. And I'm gonna add one more. Once you have this trailing look, you're gonna add 2 Zayah Meadows. So the reason I paired these two together is because the centers of these have a little bit of burgundy and it looks really good. So you're gonna add these two at the bottom. And this you're gonna add the base as well. Fourth garland, I am not gonna add it to the table. I'm gonna open the stem up and feed it through. To finish off the look, I'm gonna add posies from each collection. I am gonna take the Stella Posies and place them in the Zayah Meadows. This is really going to blend everything together. Wow. I'm going to finish off the tablescape with our iron candlesticks. These come in a set of 3. This is stunning. I would do this if you want a very dramatic, moody, romantic look. I am obsessed with this. So someone has to do this because I'm not getting married anytime soon. Please do this. Please. Even mixing the two for your wedding. Chef's kiss. Okay, and there you have it, a luxe and lush and rich sweetheart table install. You can do this basically on, if you have long tables too. It doesn't have to just be on a sweetheart table. A little bit about how our how-to series works is we take requests from our audience and we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. If you want help recreating an install for your special day, fill out the form in the description. Put an inspo photo, your color palette. If you don't have a collection already picked out, we can kind of give you our suggestion based off your color palette and your vibe. So we are happy to help there. And if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next. See y'all next time.